From the Lineweaver Wealth Watch Center, this is the Financial Quarterback.
I'm Jim Lineweaver, your financial quarterback since 1993. You know, like it or not, when most of us don't, it's tax season again. So here joining me in studio today is Mark Sipos, the director of our LFG tax team. So today we're going to cover 5 things your accountant or tax preparer should be doing for you. So Mark, where do we get started?
Thanks, Jim. We're going to look at those 5 tips, but also look at what your accountant shouldn't be doing for you, which is equally as important. But first, let's talk about what a tax advisor should do for you right now as far as working together with your financial planning team.
And as your financial quarterback, we help coordinate all of our clients' financial, tax, legal, and insurance needs. And this is the reason why decisions made in any of these areas can have consequences for your tax bill.
And a second great tip is to try and use a tax advisor that's going to be proactive in tax planning. This should occur at least minimally once a year. And even now when you go in to do your 2022 tax return, there's still time to save some money.
Yeah, and for example, you want to max out your contributions, which have all gone up this year, and these can help you for a successful retirement while decreasing your overall income tax bill, so it could be a win-win situation.
Right, and just as important as these tips are, as we've mentioned before, it's also equally important to choose what a tax advisor shouldn't do for you. For example, don't choose a tax advisor that promises you an unusually large tax refund or one that wants a fee based on a percentage of a refund he can get for you.
Yeah, and a reputable accountant will need to see your financial paperwork and do the return in order to really know what they're going to owe.
Yeah, and as a reputable tax advisor, I want to minimize your tax liability and maximize the amount we get you back. However, there's a great way to do that to protect you and your family, minimize the risk of an audit, and avoid any future issues.
And as part of a reputable accountant, you may also want to inquire if they have a preparer tax ID number, otherwise known as a PTIN.
A PTIN is an ID number issued by the IRS after a background check, and it holds the tax practitioner accountable for the information that's being put on that return. They monitor the advisor and also will revoke it.
Yeah, and you also want to use somebody that really places your convenience first.
Correct, and for an example, at lineweaver.net we have a new web page where you can initially sign up to have your tax returns done. We have a digital organizer that lets us securely exchange information with you.
Yeah, and while technology and convenience are important, it's also important to have people there that can answer your questions. So whether it's for a simple return or advanced planning, our tax team is here to help support you and answer all your questions. So get started now at lineweaver.net or call us today. We're always here to help, and stay tuned for Fox News Sunday.